They've been successful with that empty side pick and roll. That time though, hindi nakakonvert si Macaloni. Fast break opportunity at hindi yan sasayangin ni RJ Ramirez. Ang sakit eh. Kasi nung nagkaaroon na sila ng run, nagkaroon sila mga defensive lapses as well. Giving opportunity, much like this one, Manansala soars and scores for Quezon.
You help, they will attack you off that help. Little pin down right there, right through the gut. A look away pass over to Jolo Manansala. Too easy for Jolo up that close. And you have your shooter. That's very unselfish. That is what you get. Judel Fuentes as he was free for that three.
8 seconds left. Skip pass, Abate. Over Joseph Sedorifa.
Oh
It's good. Another 4-point play opportunity for John Abate.
After that release. And once again, your unselfish primary scorer and shooter in Judel Fuentes using his gravity to draw defenders and leaving it up. Points per possession of nitong Quezon Huskers.
Ramirez, nice hesitation dribble. Pull-up jumper, short. Fuentes, nakawala. Pinasahan si Macaloni. Nice wing pass. Libreng-libre si Caniete.
Oh my.
Lista mo na galing sa 3. League Season 8, Ken Pangilinan, Coach Mike Perez. Miss Gianna Lianes at courtside. Bam Bam Gamalinda hits a free, but it's an uphill climb. Magat almost poking it free, but the recovery and the finish to the basket.
For them to find open guy. Again, that ball is sticking. It's not moving as it was moving earlier in the third. Good pass. There you go.
We'll have a review. This was on that rebounding battle. They got it tangled, Vera and Gamalinda. Quick shout out to Quezon's team manager, Attorney Don Capunan. We all know the harrowing experience he has undergone, and he is well onto his recovery.
When I saw that post by some of the Quezon players, that was the only time that I understood, you know, what happened to Attorney Don Capunan.
76-54. Manansala dumps it off. Chris Lalata banks it in. And in this game, the execution na pinag-usapan na rin ni Gianna, no, na is something that Coach Benji has been harping on time and time again.
I don't think they're going to get to more than 70 points at this point as they are at 56 with almost a minute remaining. It's the scoring really that has gone down that they've had. They had 10 and 20. And now you go down 9. You know, something to build on. Katulad ng na-mention ko.